Aging in place is being able to live in the home you choose for as long as you want, being safe, comfortable, and secure. I have yet to meet a senior or anybody who says, when I get older, I want to move to a lodge. They want to stay in home where they're comfortable, where they know their neighbors, where they know already where their forks and knives are, and they can do it with their eyes closed. They're comfortable and safe. That's where they want to stay. They have all the memories there. They remember, they look down the hallway and they think, oh, that's where my son took his first steps, or that's the door my daughter walked out when she went to university. That's their home. That's where they are. It's a part of who they are. So I've been an aging in place specialist certified by the National Home Builders Association down in the States since 2009. I was the first Canadian to be certified, and I'm the only trainer in Western Canada that can train other people to be CAP certified. I've been doing renovations for safety and comfort for probably close to 20 years now. So I have some experience.